Hello everybody, welcome back to another session of Mathematics Made Easy. Today our topic is number system and the question is, what is the remainder when 7 power 103 is divided by 25? So before going to find the remainder for this problem, I asked you a question in the previous video of number system. Find the HCF and LCM of 90 and 162. HCF is 18 and LCM is 810. Now the present question is 7 power 103 is divided by 25. So for finding the remainder, let us take 7 square. Congruency properties we are going to use. 7 square is 49. When 49 is divided by 25, remainder is minus 1. So 7 square is congruent to minus 1 modulo 25. Now we have to make this 7 square as 7 to the power of 103. Directly we cannot do that. So let us take 7 square whole to the power of 51. So that this is 7 square whole to the power of 51. At the same time for RHS also we have to do for the minus 1 whole to the power of 51. Same operation we have to do for RHS modulo 25. 7 square whole to the power of 51 is congruent to minus 1 whole to the power of 51 modulo 25. Then this becomes 7 to the power of 2 into 51 by using the laws of exponents. 7 to the power of 2 into 51, it is 102, is congruent to minus 1 whole to the power of odd number, that it is a minus 1 modulo 25. So 7 to the power of 102 is congruent to minus 1. How to make this 7 to the power of 102 as 7 to the power of 103? By multiplying with 7, both LHS and RHS. So that 7 to the power of 102 into 7 is congruent to minus 1 into 7 modulo 25. Then it becomes 7 to the power of 102 plus 1. It is 7 to the power of 103. Again by using laws of exponents, 7 to the power of 103 is congruent to minus 1 into 7 is minus 7 modulo 25. So we can understand that 7 to the power of 103 is divided by 25. Remainder is minus 7. But we know that remainder will never be negative. So we have to make this number, this remainder as a positive. So for that, add this number to 25. Then we get 7 to the power of 103 is congruent to 25 minus 7. It is 18. 7 to the power of 103 is congruent to 18 modulo 25. When 7 power 103 is divided by 25, remainder is 18. And the question related to this number system, the question is 22 factorial plus 1 is divisible by which number? Already we have discussed about this in the previous videos of number system. Thank you.